Welcome to the fairy forest, where magical creatures and adventures await. Join us on an extraordinary journey of friendship and bravery. Along her journey, Luna encounters a group of friendly forest creatures: a wise old owl, a playful squirrel, and a kind-hearted fawn. Luna's newfound friends reveal that an ancient, dark enchantment has befallen the forest, causing chaos and despair. Together, they embark on a quest to uncover the secret of the dark enchantment and restore the forest's magic. Their journey leads them to confront a shadowy figure, the source of the enchantment, who challenges their courage and unity. With their combined bravery and unwavering friendship, Luna and her companions break the spell, restoring the forest's enchanting beauty. The forest creatures celebrate their victory, reveling in the renewed magic and harmony that fills the air. As Luna bids farewell to her newfound friends, she knows that the bonds they've formed will last a lifetime, carrying the magic of the fairy forest within their hearts. Thank you for joining us on this wondrous adventure of bravery and friendship. May you always believe in the magic of unity and love.